Oh dear, what a sorry state this car is in, eh? Still, it was worth a fiver, wasn't it? Worth a fiver, you can't say fair enough. Oh!
Excuse me.
Yes, good morning, sir.
I'm looking for Gilbert.
Yes, that's me. Honest Gilbert, yes, that's me.
You're Gilbert?
Yeah, you'll be Colin Black from Liverpool, won't you? You've come down
right.
about the tour bus.
You spoke to me on the phone.
That's right, the solo performer, touring round. That's brilliant.
Well, have you got one?
By the way, I love your stuff. Your earlier funny stuff. Brilliant stuff. No, I've got just the thing you had in mind, and I'll put these teeth back. Listen, this motor here, it's a good runner, it's got a lot of ticket on it, it's spacious, it's got all the facilities you asked for, it's comfortable.
What, this?
Yes, yeah, this motor here, which you're leaning on.
But this is a car, Gilbert.
Is this not what you had in mind, Colin?
Did we not talk about a tour bus?
Well, it is a sort of bus, isn't it? It's a sort of busette type thing, you know. It's well worth the $750 I paid for it.
But
now,
look,
come on. I'm doing myself an injustice here.
Look.
I'll put myself out of business if I'm not careful, Colin. I don't even know why I get up in the morning
if I tried
sometimes.
to travel in this, I'd put myself out of business, Gordon.
Well, I know it's a bit like a toaster, but, I mean, it does go.
I travel with people, you see.
Oh, you travel with people?
Solo artist, yes, but there's a band of 8, there's a manager.
Oh, just the 8, is it?
Tour manager, the lighting crew. I couldn't get my nose in this one, never mind the rest of the band.
Do it in some sort of rotation system, I suppose. You could sort of...
Take it in turns to travel.
You got it. You've got it. All take it in turns. Why not? One day you go, another day someone else, and then go from there.
This
Probably
is not
work
going to
out.
work, Gilbert. I need something else.
I've just had an idea, Colin. I have got just the motor for you, mate.
Look, it's down there. Get it out. It's a creature. I know. Just... Raymond John Throat, you stand before this court charged with committing a most diabolical crime. That of willfully and with intent worrying and ruffling up squirrels in such a manner, I may add, as to render the said squirrels stupid. How do you plead? Guilty or not terribly well?
Dear Mum and Dad, Manolo and I had a lovely evening last night. Unfortunately, we couldn't get onto his yacht as it was being refurbished. Had a wonderful candlelit dinner, though. But sadly, Manolo couldn't place his credit cards. I do wish he'd carry some cash. Lots of love, Charlotte. I'll post that later, but now I must get on with some Spanish.
Coming on a boat with
now,
fish.
Gilbert, you are not moving from this room, otherwise your sunburn's never going to get better, is it? I've been trying to learn some Spanish to say to Manolo.
Charlie.
Would you test me?
Fish.
Go on, test me. Go on, Gilbert. You hold that and test me. Okay, ask me something in Spanish.
Costa la vista.
What?
Fish got a blister.
No,
Trevor Mister
no, Gilbert, you're supposed to ask me something, and then I'll tell you what it is. Go on, test me.
Got a cutlass, Charlie.
Go on. Oh, Gilbert, give it him. Right.
all there.
Nos digas budaras. Nos digas budaras. You've got to be joking.
You must be joking. No digas bombadas. No digas bombadas. Yes. No digas bombada.
No digas bombadas.
You speak Spanish?
Well, just the odd phrase.
Oh.
I'm so glad you took me through the menu. I wouldn't have known what to choose.
For you, Charlotte, anything.
Pollo. El pescadito para usted.
Gracias.
It's, very ethnic.
It's a speciality of Andalusia.
What are you having?
It's a chicken and chips, isn't it?
Chips look nice.
I love it. No, I think it's terrific. It's you know, no, I just wrote the songs, really. How you doing? Okay, Chief, just jump up, stick your head out. Hey, fellas, let's jump up and down on the spot. I didn't say. Nothing. Good morning. I'm Mr. Devil. Isn't it funny? We were just talking about you. I'm Mr. Devil. Good morning, everyone. And Ashley says, I'll take you on any time, anywhere, Trevor. He's got a cutlass. You see what this is, punk? This is a lemon. It's useless, except on Pancake Day.
Gilbert, wake up! Wake up, Gilbert! Wake up! Wake up! It's all right. Gilbert! Gilbert! Gilbert, wake up! Wake up! Gilbert! Gilbert! Gilbert!
What?
Are you all right?
What?
Are you all right? You're making some very strange noises.
I'm not well, Charlie. I'm not well.
Do you know, I don't feel so well either.
I don't
I've just had the most revolting lunch.
Oh, no.
I hope I'll be all right for tonight. We know who's taking me to the disco.